Right. On this episode of Jose's Kitchen, Jose is to come over with a can of onions. And what is this that you have here in this bag?
It's this is Huel. It's a nutrient slurry, which is supposed to prevent starvation almost indefinitely.
Jose, that looks so gross. You know, is this supposed to be cooked?
No, well, it doesn't have to be. Normally, people drink this as like a shake.
It has so much. You're making an onion shake.
I mean, it's like it depends on how much water you put in there. It might turn out more like porridge. Yeah.
This just seems like a bad idea, man.
Yeah, I know you think that. But listen, if I'm gonna eat Soylent Green for the rest of my life, I'm gonna need to learn how to spice it up with onions. Onions are cheap, you know?
Jose, that looks like
Just wait, it's gotta dissolve.
looks so gross.
Yeah. I think it needs more of everything. Although, dude, I could put it in the blender. That'd be fucking awesome. Oh, dude, I'm actually getting really excited looking at this.
So, you know that's just like onions, and it's vanilla flavor.
It really
What
is.
the fuck is wrong with you?
It is vanilla flavor.
What is wrong with you, Jose?
I really don't know. I was thinking.
Is
about
this
that.
like a bit? Like, are we doing this as a bit?
No,
Like,
I'm
purely-
genuine. Okay, so I bought the onions yesterday, and I didn't realize this would be what I was doing with them. But no, I genuinely had this idea, and I'm genuinely doing this unironically. Like,
Are you sure?
yeah, because especially since so it doesn't have quite enough fiber or as much sodium as I'd like. So if I add salt and onions, I'm basically a genius.
But why did you choose onions of like all vegetables?
You know how I feel about onions.
I don't. Gross.
I'm really happy about it. Definitely want to use the unflavored stuff next time. It would be like mixing vanilla oatmeal with onions, but not quite as sweet. Also, it's better if you give it like the powder a longer time to hydrate, 'cause it's like gross. Yeah. They're all like, oh, for best results, make it the night before, put it in your fridge, drink it in the morning. The texture improves. And I was like, dude, it's just slimier now. Like, I don't know.
Do the onions help the texture?
They do. I think I might want to try making it a little thicker. Because it does feel like some sort of robot is like feeding me like I'm a baby bird. Or
Yeah.
like just like a tube into my mouth. Especially if you put it in the shaker that it comes with, which is a proprietary design from Germany. It's actually like a really nice shaker. It has this tube, and it definitely feels like something is like peeing in your mouth, or like I don't know.
So you got the weapon of choice, the KitchenAid.
We gonna get a model number? It's a fucking Cuisinart, first
Oh,
of all.
it's a Cuisinart.
You
Oh,
goddamn plebeian. And it
is
is the SPB3C. Yeah, the storied.
a little bit of UV damage on the base there.
Oh yeah. The
But
plastic ages with love.
I'm not complaining. It's a good blender. We like it.
I mean, I don't. The real thing about blenders is how does this one smell when it goes? Does this one have a bit of that?
That burnt like motor smell.
Yeah, that like house fire smell.
No, actually, it
good.
smells like good when you run it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really excited now. So this does actually smell pretty good. I would not recommend the vanilla flavor for this. Phil, you're making it gross on purpose. I feel like you're making it gross on purpose.
Oh no, I'm not.
Oh right, we're just shooting the tasty, the bon appetit.
Yeah, I mean, it's onions and basically Soylent.
Yeah. And in fact, I'm gonna
Put the cover on.
Yeah. No, don't worry. It's not that kind of YouTube video. We're gonna do that. This is wild. It does taste wild. With I don't know how I feel about it yet, but I do. My body does feel happy that I'm eating it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's weird. Like, so a lot of the things that I'd eat otherwise, when I didn't care about anything and nothing mattered, I just didn't want to die. If you go to McDonald's and you attempt to sustain yourself that during the day, you can feel the sadness in your body.
The McDonald's sadness.
Yeah. Dude, yes. I'm serious because it's actually less gnarly homogenized, and that's weird because normally it goes the other way, but
Oh, it really smells like vanilla.
yeah, it really does. All right, I need another
And onions.
vanilla and onions. That classic flavor combination. Dude, fuck, your other roommate might come out here and actually vomit.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
That's not even a bit, you folks at home.
Oh god, it's so strong. Oh my god. Jose, I think there's legitimately something wrong with you.
Dude, it's bomb. It's normally I have a problem with the flavor profile of Huel, but with the sharpness of the oniony tang, it works so good. The slight sweetness of the onion, fuck. I'm living my best life, Phil. Fuck you, dude. This is great. I literally do need to dispose of this all. This is a little... I do feel a little ashamed. I do want to get rid of the evidence.
There's too much evidence at this point.
Nah, dog. Fuck.
I mean, why not carrots or something?
Yeah.
Carrots could have gone well.
Yeah, but onion went really well.
Carrots have more fiber.
That's a good point. Consider some carrots. I like carrots when they're accompanied with onions.
Yeah.
So
then it can be kind of sweet.
Yeah, I'll put some more carrot in there. Some more carrots. And yeah, this content is monetizable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Shout out to that Huel pearl.
Yeah.
That stuff's gonna make me hurl.
They just came up with a new version, the third one, and that's 2.1 or something. And I was really disappointed. I was like, fuck, I bought it at the wrong time. But at the same time, maybe I don't want to be an early adopter of a fucking nutrient slurry new version, right? Maybe this one, because for a while,
I mean, I did that the Soylent thing for a while, and I mean, it was kind of gross.
Yeah.
It felt like I was dying on the inside.
Dude, you know what else I want to put into this bitch?
What?
Celery. I'm doing it. I'm fucking doing it. But celery's salty. You know what I mean?
No?
Yeah, it is.
I mean, I like celery, but I didn't.
It is salty.
Can I have it?
Yeah. You get some ASMR in there. We just gotta get you in a lower cut t-shirt, Phil. We can have you like that Raver Ken that Mattel released in the 90s. We'll get you in a mesh t-shirt, fucking cock ring around your neck like a necklace.
Mm-hmm.
I think they called it a friendship ring.
That's weird.
I think that's what they rebranded it as. Well, because they needed to update Ken's aesthetic, right? And they were like, what do people look like now? And they were all like, oh, we like the way these ravers look. Alright. Now, the celery has a lot of water in it, right? So, like,
Yeah.
this should blend great. Remember to have damp hands when you're handling the...
Yeah.
Don't use
Very
GFCI. Like...
There you go.
What the fuck is this gonna taste like now?
I think celery, it has kind of like that tangy taste, but it's not too like overwhelming.
Yeah.
But that was the vanilla.
That's fucking awesome. Like, that's actually, like, do you want a shot of this?
Oh, I'm too terrified to drink
No,
that stuff.
Listen, you gotta do it for the views.
Oh no.
You gotta, alright, kids at home, like, comment, and subscribe if you want Phil to fucking pound this up his ass.
No.
You're gonna boof it, bro. It's gonna be like your fucking Brett Kavanaugh.
I mean...
Drink it. It's like a soup. It's like a vanilla vegetable soup.
Okay, maybe it's not so bad. Like...
Yeah, give me this. Give me that. Yeah, do it.
It smells like oatmeal. It is gross, but it is weird. I don't know, Jose. It's like soup. It's like it shouldn't exist. The vanilla flavor really fucks it up. Oh, no, this is terrible. Like, what's wrong with you, man? Ugh.